How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print photos on your HP Envy printer. Now, I'm going to be showing you specifically how to print using photo paper as well, as not a lot of people cover this on YouTube. So let's get started. Now, most importantly, you need to get your glossy paper, which unfortunately I don't have any right now, but you need to get your glossy paper and you need to install it into the paper tray. Now, it's very important to know that the glossy paper needs to be face down. So the glossy shiny bit needs to be basically facing down, because the way that this printer feeds the paper is it will take it like so and then print on essentially the bottom layer. So that's definitely worth knowing. So first things first, we want to put our glossy paper in the paper tray. We're going to close the paper tray, and when we close the paper tray, the printer should open up this little menu where it asks us whether we want to modify the paper size and stuff in there. Now, if that menu disappears, that is okay. You can just click menu and then trays, and then we're going to click modify. Now, we need to tell the printer that the type of paper inside is photo paper. So you want to find the photo paper option that matches this description as much as possible. Now, if you have official HP glossy paper, then definitely click these. But if you just have other standard photo inkjet paper, I would click either this option or the glossy inkjet paper option at the bottom. It's very important that the printer knows that you're using the correct type of paper. Otherwise, it can actually really damage the printer. Make sure you obviously put in the correct size as well, which is really important. I'm assuming most of you guys will do the standard A4 size. And then let's say I'm going to use this paper, and we're going to click done. And so now that the tray type, now the printer knows that this type of paper inside is inkjet paper. The next thing we want to do is we're going to print from the mobile app. Now, if you don't have this app set up, then click the link in the description below, where I have a full guide showing you how to set this up. I would love to include it in this video, but I feel like it would be a bit irrelevant to go through a Wi-Fi setup. So we're here on the app. Now everything is connected. We're going to go to print photos, and I have this wonderful picture of some Tabasco sauce. And there we can see a few things. First thing is that photo paper is pre-selected, and that's because I adjusted it on the printer itself. Now, if photo paper isn't pre-selected, luckily you have the option to select it here. Now, the next thing about printing photos is you can make a bunch of adjustments and whatnot that I think are kind of irrelevant, like these are the brightness settings and whatnot. I would avoid messing around with these too much unless you're some professional. But the next settings are in the next page over here. Again, we want to make sure we have the correct paper type, the correct paper size, correct paper source, but also, since we're using photo paper, we want to make sure that the print quality is on the best, and also obviously our color options are on color. And that is pretty much that. When you're good to go, you can go ahead and press print. So there you have it, guys. That is how you print photos properly using photo paper on your HP Envy 6132E printer. If this video helped you, please consider helping us by liking and subscribing. Subscribing is a priority though. If we hit 1,000 subscribers, we can earn a little bit of money from this. Now, if you're looking to buy some glossy paper or photo paper, check the link in the description. We have a fantastic supplier that we've been working with for a really long time, and we trust them a lot. And if you buy through the link below, it supports us and the small business that makes the paper. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Check out the links in the description, and goodbye.